Hello everyone, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and happy Friday. I'm coming on the air today to tell you about this cool new topic we have going on each week. So starting Monday, we're going to start what we call Whiteboard Topic of the Week. And so when you come in Monday, you'll see a whiteboard over there in the rehab area, and what you'll see is one of these little handouts. And so what you'll do is just grab one of these, or one of the staff members will hand one out. And this topic that we're going to be starting on Monday is called Chiropractic and Foot Orthotics. And so the cool thing about this is we give some information this week about how foot orthotics and dysfunction in the foot can actually cause back pain. And so I just want to let everyone know that just if you're having back pain, that to not overlook the foot as a cause that many of you may not know. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend and enjoy the St. Patty's Day, and be safe, and I hope to see you all next week. Thank you.